You spend 20 minutes editing AI-generated text, swapping out phrases like leverage synergies or work together, deleting every instance of delve into, and trying to make it sound like an actual human wrote it. What if AI just wrote like you from the start? Here's the reality. AI doesn't have to sound robotic. You can train tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write in your exact voice, so you can skip the editing and get usable content immediately. Today, we're showing you exactly how to do it. We'll explain what custom AI training is, review research proving personalized AI actually matches human writing styles, then give you a simple 3-step process that works across Claude Projects, Google Gemini Gems, ChatGPT Custom GPTs, and Microsoft Copilot. You'll walk away with an AI assistant that sounds like you and gets you 90% to the finish line. Let's talk about why generic AI sounds so robotic. Here's a quick example. Generic AI writes, "It is essential to implement comprehensive, strategic initiatives to optimize productivity outcomes." You'd write, "Here's how to get more done." That's the gap we're closing. Researchers at the National Academy of Sciences studied this exact problem in a 2025 study. They found that standard AI models have what they call a noun-heavy, informational dense writing style that sticks out even when you explicitly ask them to sound casual. It's like asking someone to act natural. The harder they try, the more awkward it gets. Research published in Archive in February 2025 titled "A Survey of Personalized Large Language Models" found that when you train AI on your specific writing samples and give it detailed instructions, it adapts to match your voice. The study showed personalized AI significantly improves output quality by understanding individual writing styles, tone preferences, and communication patterns. The key word here is personalized, not generic prompts, but actual training on how you write. The solution comes down to 3 things: real examples of your writing, specific instructions about your style, and a dedicated workspace where the AI remembers your preferences. Think of it like training a new assistant. You don't just say, "Write emails for me." You show them examples, explain your approach, and let them learn your patterns. The good news is this initial setup only takes about 15 minutes, and it works across every major AI platform using the same basic approach. Here's the 3-step process. First, gather your writing samples. Pull 2 to 3 pieces that represent your voice. Blog posts, emails you're proud of, reports, social media posts, whatever sounds most like you. These become your training data. Second, write your style instructions. This is where you get specific. Don't write casual tone. Write conversational, like texting a colleague, not presenting to executives. Don't write clear writing. Write sentences under 20 words, active voice only, no corporate buzzwords like synergy or leverage. The more specific you are, the better your results. Describe how you structure ideas, whether you use humor, if you prefer bullet points or paragraphs, how you handle technical terms. Third, your last step, now plug this into your platform of choice. In Claude, create a project, upload your samples, and paste your instructions in the custom instructions box. In Gemini, create a new gem, add your files, and use the instructions fields. They even have a magic wand tool that helps expand your notes. In ChatGPT, create a custom GPT, upload your samples, and describe your style to the GPT builder. For Microsoft Copilot users, add instructions directly in notebooks or through a Copilot instructions file if you're coding. This setup is nearly identical across all the platforms. Upload samples, add instructions, test it out. Here's the move that makes this actually work. You need to test it and refine it. Have your AI write something, then read it out loud. If it doesn't sound like you, update your instructions with what's off. Less formal, more contractions, shorter paragraphs. The AI learns what you want, but only if you're specific about the corrections. One more thing. These workspaces are persistent. Once you set them up, they remember everything. You don't have to re-explain your style every time. You just start a new conversation and it writes in your voice automatically. That's 20 minutes you used to spend editing AI text. Gone. Training AI to write like you eliminates the robotic AI smell and saves you serious editing time. Upload 3 or 5 writing samples, write specific style instructions, and create a dedicated workspace in your AI tool of choice. The research is clear. Personalized AI works, and the setup is simple. Stop fighting it with generic AI and start with an assistant that already knows your voice. Your move.